Hey folks, long time no see. Bit of a messed up hair, sorry for that. But I have been trying to build something for designers, and I would love you all to try it out. So, what am I building? Now, before I even tell that, let me tell you the problems I'm trying to solve for myself. So, as designers, we often have to take inspirations, right? Create our own mood boards. How do we do that? We go across the internet and copy and paste images from Pinterest, Google, and many other sites, mobile, wherever. Yeah, sorry. There's a good number of things where we go and copy and paste. And you need to go and copy and then you need to go and paste. And that process goes on for a while. And if you don't have like a multi-screen setup or all that, it's generally irritating, right? Like you just need to copy and paste. Um, Lately, I have been working with a single screen, and that's like a big problem. That's one of the problems, right? So this whole irritating copy and paste and that breaks the flow. Another problem is that many times we're not just copying images, right? We are copying links, we are copying some icons, we're copying some SVGs, and there's so many other things that we copy. And they are kind of part of the mood board. Like, you like certain link and you want to save it. Of course, you can bookmark them. Um, but there's like a context sitting on browser, there's some context switching some there's some context living somewhere else, and it becomes a problem, right? So this whole copy paste affair is very not sorted. So what I'm trying to solve for, and this is specifically only for Mac OS right now, is try to solve this copy paste problem for me as a designer. So what I'm trying to build is a clipboard for designers. I haven't figured out a name yet, so I'm not calling anything. I'm not calling it any name. So what it does is, firstly, it solves your first problem of copy and pasting. What you can do is just copy whatever you feel like, and then go back to Figma later on, select all the things that you want to paste in your mood board, and going to create a mood board and help you paste it back in Figma or anywhere else of your choice. That's the first feature. The second feature is, hey, why do I even need to go to Figma at times and I want to just create a bookmark sort of things of everything I've copied in my Clipboard tool itself. You can even do that. You can create a new pinboard and basically copy everything that you have and save it out there. Not just this, it also has small interesting features like you want your clipboard to be fixed and move around, can do that. You want to take out images from, you want to take text out of any images, you can even do that. You want to search through your text or anything that you have saved over the time, you can even do that. So it has a lot of such features that should help a designer, and it's very easily accessible. It lives on notch of your MacBook. If you don't have a notch on your MacBook, you just need to hover on the top and it just comes down, or it's also on your top right menu bar on the Mac OS. um yeah, that's what it is. I think so enough talk. I can quickly show you how it looks, how it works. So let's start with the real use case, right? For this specific app, I'm trying to look for how do I create cool creatives. So I am looking for something like launch poster. Let me, no, that's open, right? Now there are some really interesting ones, and I want to copy them. Let's see. I like it. Even this. I think so. We have enough examples. Okay, sorry for that. Oh, this is so good. I'm so sorry for that. Right. So now what you can do is big reveal. This is our clipboard. It's going to live on top of the screen. And what you can do is just simply, firstly, let's go and create a new pin. Okay. So we go out here, click a new pin board. We call it launch graphic posters. That's a good name. I think so. We're done with that. So let me close this down. Let me start moving them. So I know another thing, there should be like a easy feature to just, wait a minute, yeah, that's the right one. So yeah, now you can see everything is in my this specific board. Now I want to start making a mood board out of it. So let's just open my rough Figma. Yeah, because where else to put this, right? Now that we have our Figma open, let's try to copy paste all of these, right? So I just want to go to bulk. I can select all. I can just do paste as a mood board. Once I click that, I still need to go on my canvas and then paste it. Let it load, let it load. See, it's all here. Unfortunately, won't only copy paste and paste the whole images right now. I do think there's a use case of pasting the text also, but I think so I'm gonna work and fix on that. But yeah, that's one of the features, and yeah, that's one of the few cool features of Clipboard for designers. And if you want to try it out, just put a comment below or DM me. But thank you for your time, and I hope you try it out.